Hello again. We have a cold front bringing wet and windy conditions across the northwest of the country this morning, and as it slips south, behind it, watch how the cold air pushes away today's milder air. Tomorrow we'll all be in cooler conditions, as we will be right the way through the rest of this week and into the weekend. Now, what is happening today is that weather front, as I mentioned, is producing some clouds, some rain, some of that will be heavy at times, and windy conditions. Coastal gales across the northwest, but generally windy in the northwest, and that rain getting into Northern Ireland. After clear skies in the southeast, cloud in the west is going to drift further east through the day, but it will brighten up for some of us behind. But where we're left with some cloud, the thickest of that could well produce some drizzle. Temperatures 8 to about 12 degrees. Now, heading on through the evening and overnight, our weather front bringing the rain and the windy conditions sinks a little bit further south. The rain could be heavy across southwest Scotland and also northwest England. Ahead of it, probably a bit too windy for any mist or fog problems, or even frost for that matter. And look at those temperatures anyway. 6 to 10 degrees will be our overnight lows in towns and cities. So tomorrow, our weather front continues its descent, slowly pushing southeastwards. We don't expect it to get into the southeast until after dark, but ahead of it, the cloud will continue to build. Behind it, we see some brighter skies develop, but we're also looking at a few showers coming our way. And tomorrow too, it will be still quite windy. Temperatures ranging from 6 to about 10 degrees north to south. As we head from Tuesday into Wednesday, though, our weather front does eventually make it as a very weak feature into the southeast, and it clears away, allowing this ridge of high pressure to build in, settling the weather conditions down. So on Wednesday itself, we could start with some mist and some fog. There'll be a lot of dry weather. It's going to be a bit colder to start. There'll be a peppering of showers across the north and the west. Some of those will be wintry on the tops of the hills in Scotland. And note the temperatures coming down 5 to 9 degrees, no double figures anymore. And as we go through the ensuing few days and into the early part of next week, you can see how the temperatures continue to slide, but it won't be just by day, it will also be by night.